It's Christmas in July! Let's talk Christmas crochet patterns, and today we're going to talk about Christmas tree applique patterns. Applique Crochet. Today all free crochet patterns of applique Christmas trees, the flat variety you can use on very different Christmas projects. Simple, cute, and little pom-poms are always good. Another simple one, you crochet one big straight line and then you sew them together. Fun idea. Very straightforward one. I love the loose pom-pom star. This one has a lovely snowy border and cute little bells. And this one is I like the simple lines of this one and the color scheme. This one is made up out of circles, so get crocheting those circles and you can make them in almost anything, even unusually colored Christmas trees. But you can make them in more traditional Christmas colors, of course. But I like the abstract idea of them. Another ribbon tree, so you crochet this sort of ribbon and then you sew it together. It gives extra texture and it's a little less flat than if you would just crochet it straight out. Sort of a granny square Christmas tree type of deal. Works up very quickly. Lovely. And this is sort of a chevron Christmas tree type. I like the blue color scheme, but you can of course make them in any color you want, even just unicolor as white there. Now this is cute. It's not very flat, it's a sort of a very small Christmas tree, but it's very effective. I love the little heart button. Now it doesn't get any simpler than this, but it's all in the execution. The finishing touch is this wooden bead with the cord here, and it gives a very serene looking Christmas tree. Less serene looking is this one, but it's a lot of fun. You have to crochet a lot of these little balls, and then you can sort of ribbon them together to create a fun and funky Christmas tree. What a great idea. Now this is a sort of kawaii style Christmas tree. I love the little faces on them, and they almost look like lollipops, don't they? And these beads that are sewn on are a great garland finishing touch, and it has a little bell as a tree topper. Now this one is ready for some Christmas hugs. Look at the cool little lights in there. I'm gonna search for you to find if I can find a link where you can buy those. Another kawaii style face, and this one has 2 legs. Christmas tree stump. Oh, it's so cute. And a simple one with little red ornaments. And that's it for the Applique Christmas tree. I hope to see you again soon for more Christmas in July. There are so many fun Christmas crochet patterns out there. I wish you happy crocheting.